Hey guys, welcome you all to Maneuver Education. So an important update for all the Law CET 3 years aspirants. Guys, there's a good news for you all. But before we explore the good news, just head to the official website of CET Cell, click on the CET portal, scroll down and just head to the Law 3 years tab. If you open this tab, then there's a notification that the third extension to form filling has been started, and it has started from Wednesday 19th of April and it will last up to 20th of April. So you have a day for your form filling. All the students, those who didn't fill the form earlier, now is the last opportunity for you all to fill up the form, because you won't get any further extension apart from this. And there's also a notice which is there on their official website. If you click on this notice number 4, then this says that the online registration and confirmation of application form on website is 19th of April to 20th of April. And guys, if you see over here, then your examination will be held on 2nd of May and 3rd of May. So there is no extension in your examinations. It's just a third extension of your form filling. So to all the aspirants, those who didn't fill the form earlier, now is the last opportunity, a very last opportunity I would say. And guys, today is 19th of April and you have your examination of 2nd and 3rd of May. So to all the aspirants, those who still want to prepare through self-study, let me take you to the official website of Maneuver Education and guide you for the self-study part, so that you can get a decent score in your CET examination and you can target a decent level of college through your CET score. Alright, so just head to the official website maneuveredu.com, click on buy online, scroll down, click on law entrance, scroll down. So you have 4 tabs over here: full course, book, study materials, mock test and sectional course. We'll check each one of them. Click on full course, show package. So you have to check the third tab, MH LAW CET 3 years. Click on view details. So you get 300 video lectures, 90 handouts and 133 mock test. If you click on syllabus, you have to make sure you finish all the videos within the given time. If you go back, you can check out the books as well. Click on show package. You have to check the first tab, click on view details. You get English, reasoning, legal aptitude and general studies. This set is the hard copies of the book. If you order, it will get delivered to you within 7 working days, but I would still recommend you to go with the ebooks because you get the access immediately and you can start your preparations. So you can check out this tab. If you go back, you can check out the sectional course you think you are weak in and you want to work on it. Click on show package. Scroll down, so you can check out the English, legal aptitude, GK and current affairs, verbal and critical reasoning, logical reasoning, elementary mathematics or cons. So you can pick up any of these sectional courses you think you are weak in and you want to work on it. And if you go back, the very important thing is the mock test, because guys, mock test is the only gateway to get into any of the top colleges of your desire. So click on mock test, show package, scroll down. So you have to check this tab, MH LAW CET 3 years mock test booster. In this you'll get 8 sectional plus 20 full length mock tests. So you can write as many mock tests as possible before going to your actual examination. Or else you can scroll down and you can check the 10 full length mock test as well. With the given days we have for the examination, it is better that you write 2 mock tests a day before going to your actual examination. It will only help you getting a good score in your actual examination, guys. All the links to the respective programs have been given into the description box. Kindly check the description. And to all the aspirants, those who will be participating this year for the examination, all the best from my side. So that was the quick update. Until then, see you in the next video.